K-Talk Lab, where K-pop meets learning. Welcome! We're diving into Korean consonants today. Out of 14 basic consonants, we'll learn 4 essential ones. First step.
gi-yeok,
Korean consonants have names, just like English letters. Learn both the name and sound. It's crucial for understanding final consonants later. Visualizing helps memory. Remember, English sound comparisons are just memory aids, not exact matches. Now, let's combine with vowels, practicing with a slight throat pressure. We have
가, 기, 고, 구,
Notice how
gi-yeok,
final stroke changes, slanted for side vowels,
가,
right angle for bottom vowels.
구,
Next,
ni-eun,
4.
ni-eun,
Touch your tongue tip behind your upper teeth, then release the sound. Here are the combinations.
나, 니, 노, 노,
Easy, right? Remember, there are 14 basic consonants, plus 5 double consonants, which are just repeated basics. Now,
ni-eun,
bring your lips together, then part them, feeling a slight vibration. Practice.
마, 미, 모, 무,
Excellent. Finally,
시우,
this one can be tricky, but you'll get it.
시우,
Isn't like English she or Spanish C? It's a soft sound, like air smoothly escaping between your teeth. Try.
사, 시, 소, 수,
Great job. Let's practice some words with what we've learned.
나무, 고기, 가수,
You've now taken your first steps into Korean consonants. Keep practicing, and you'll build confidence with every word. Great work today. 감사합니다.